Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I just wanted to do like a quick neutral eye look. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies. So I wanted to do like a quick eye look because I did pick up this Natasha Denona Baby I Need a Nude kit during the holiday season. And of course, I never got to it, but I really wanted to use it. I do have all my makeup on. Of course, you know I will leave everything linked below, but I love these. These are so great. I actually picked up one a few years back, and I wanted to make sure that they still had this. I'm almost positive you could still pick this up on the Natasha Denona website. But a few years back, I got this little lover. She comes out with these babies like during the holidays. There are two other ones. I think one was like the golden one. Let me look. And one was like the warm one or something like that. But you know, girl, you know I'm not a warm girl. I mean, I am, but you know what I mean. I just love cool palettes, and I thought this was so perfect. And it comes with an eyeliner. I'm so super excited. But let me just look real quick to make sure that it is still there. Okay, yeah, they had they have the baby bronze eyeshadow palette and the baby gold palette shadow, and they still have this. Those two, I'm gonna just pop it up for you and I'll show you. Like this one right over here. That's $19. So it was that one, and then that was the baby gold, and this is the baby bronze. You know, girl, it's just not my cup of tea in tone, but this, oof. That is so pretty. But anyway, so I wanted to do an eye look with you guys. But how quick and delicious, and I'm going away for the weekend. I'm going to pop something in my pocketbook kind of product. It has 3 little shades. This one, I believe, one shade was new. I don't think I've ever seen it. I can't remember which one it was. This was from the Retro palette. Of course, this is from her I Need a Nude palette. But I'm almost positive that one of the colors here I've never seen before, although I'm not sure. And then for this year, I think it's the eyeliner, because these 3 I've seen, I think. Let's just open up this little lover right over here. I love picking up these like little minis. Girl, I was going to give it as a gift, but why are you lying? You know you're going to keep it. I knew I was going to keep it. But what great little stocking stuffers. I mean, if you're going to use the single one, of course, $19. It's so great. And if you want to try Natasha Denona's formula, just grab one of these little babies. I mean, I know they have them just during the holiday, but grab a few. They are so great. So let me just open this up. So this is what the baby looks like right over here. How cute is that? These colors are Vague, Muse, and Mesh. Look how beautiful. Ooh, they are so nice. Now, out of curiosity, because now I'm curious, are all these 3 colors in the I Need a Nude? Let's see. Let me just look real quick. So what the heck did I say there? I said Vague. Oh, you know what? Oh no, Vague is there. Muse, yes, and Mesh. Yeah, so all 3 of these colors are in the bigger palette. So I think like the special for the holiday is the eyeliner. Let's just watch. I'm so excited. So nice. Again, if you've never tried, yeah, they're so buttery. If you've never tried Natasha Denona eye products, so good. Don't mind my fingers. I have eczema. So these are the 3 colors right over here. Yeah, girl. They are so pretty. Ooh-wee. Look how gorgeous. Let's put some on, shall we? Now, I'm thinking in my brains, girl, you think like, what am I supposed to do with 3 little colors? I bet you could do tons. So what I'm thinking is, let's just do a matte for now. We could just do a matte color. I could probably get 3 looks out of this. Let's try 3 looks. My dirty brushes, yeah, and so what of it? I'm going to go in with this color right over here. Do I have a mirror? No. It's okay. We're going to grab one. We're going to just grab, I have the Makeup by Mario highlighter over here. I'm going to just use the mirror. Girl, take that one shade, just like if you didn't have an eyeshadow palette, but you have a bronzer, right? You could use it as an eyeshadow. Let's use this light one right over here and put it all over our moving lid. And then I'm going to put it all the way up to my brow because, girl, I have hooded eyes. Okay, so if you want to just leave it like that, one shade, like I said, oh my gosh, I don't have an eyeshadow palette, but I do have my bronzer. Throw it in there. This is beautiful. So listen, one shade, one look. Look how pretty that is. Okay, let's just go and do the other side exactly the same. Okay, so this is the first look. One color, one look. Great, perfect. Now we're gonna go into this deeper color. You wanna do an all matte. Let's do an all matte look, right? Grab this color here. I'm gonna take a smaller brush. This is the BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy 504. And I'm gonna take that, load up my brush, tappity tap tap, and I'm going to just start tapping. Like I said, I have hooded eyes, so I normally just put my product down just for placement first, and then I'm going to open my eyes, because my natural crease, if I left my makeup, if I left my shadow in my natural crease, you would never see it. Okay, look how nice that is. Whatever's left over on the brush, I'm going to take it and I'm going to sweep it across my eye. Not in my natural crease. I'm creating my own crease. You see that? Looking straight ahead so you could see it. Okay? And then I'm going to just go back and I just want to darken this up a little bit more. And just pulling. Okay, there you go. So we just did a second look and all matte. Love, ooh, love, love, love. Okay, great. So now I've created just a matte look. Using just these two matte shadows right here, we created a matte look. Now we're going to use the whole palette. I'm taking that shimmer shade right in the middle, and I am going to just put it right on my moving lid. And I think I'm going to leave the outside bare, and I'm going to just take it. That is so damn pretty. That is so pretty. That is gorgeous. Okay. That's so pretty. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so on this side we used all three shadows. Or if you were just looking for a matte look, just use the two. Oh my God, this is, listen, who'd have thunked it, right? 3 little colors, and we got 3 little looks out of it. Go figure. So pretty. Wow. I'm going to go back in with the smaller brush, and I just want to make sure I deepen this up a little bit. I don't want to lose this depth right here. This is so pretty. Let me go this way because I always feel like, you know, girl, one eye is always better than the other. Ooh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. A little bit of fallout from the shimmer, but it's okay. It's a-okay. I am so curious about this liner. So this is the Natasha Denona Macro Tech Crayon, Macro Tech Eye Crayon, and this is the color Taupe. Let me just show it to you. I'm going to put it right next to, ooh, that is beautiful. Look at that. That's exciting. I'm going to tight line with it, and I think I want to put a little bit above my lashes right here just to smoke it out a little bit. Okay, so I'm not crazy about it tight lining. It's not dark enough for me. It's okay though, right? That's pretty. What I really want to do is I'm going to smoke it out at the edge. I'm just taking the BK Beauty. This is the 204, and I'm going to just take it. That is really pretty though. I'm going to take it right at the outer edge. You don't have to be precise because we're going to smoke that little lover out. Ooh, that's nice. And I'm going to just pull. That's really pretty. Ooh, look at that tiny, tiny bit. And it makes such a difference, doesn't it? Ooh, I love it. That is so pretty. So let me just clean off underneath my eye. Like I said, there's a little bit of fallout from the shimmer, but no worries. Just a little bit right over here. Let me just throw a little bit of concealer on. Girl, nothing new. The Natasha Denona. I love this doggone concealer. I think I'm running low. I feel like I'm digging, but don't worry. I got to back up. So just a tiny bit. You know, less is more. I really don't do much. I really don't do much concealing. I like to go in with my fingers first. And if I have to, I will use a brush, but I love using my fingers. I think they're the best tools. Look how beautiful that goes right on in. Wow. Ooh, that is so, so pretty. Ooh, I love it. I'm going to set this real quick with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop powder. Did I bring a pufferoonie? I could have sworn I did, didn't I? Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm going to just set that, and then we'll finish the under eye. That is so pretty. I'm going to just go back in. If I was my blush brush, yeah, here it is. I just like to put my blush closer to my under eyes when I do my concealer last. For me personally, I think it just makes the concealer blend better. That is so pretty. So, so nice. Okay, dokes, let's just finish off the look underneath. I think I'm going to just take these two colors here and the eyeliner, and we'll see what we come up with. Okay, so this is the final look. I think the eyes came out so beautiful. What do you guys think? How beautiful. Now, we got 3 beautiful looks with this one little palette and this little eyeliner. It's beautiful. Again, if you've never tried Natasha Denona, grab these little ones. Like I said, on her website, there's still 3 of them left. This one, the bronze and the golden, it is so beautiful. I really love this look. How quick, how easy, right? Guys, leave me some comments below. Did you guys pick up this little set over the holiday? It looks so beautiful. You know what? I think I'm going to keep this out for tomorrow morning because I have to go to work. Perfect, perfect. Of course, I'm not going to zhuzh it up like this, but girl, why can't we just use that one color, right? The one color eyeliner, goodbye and good luck, and get going, right? So quick, so easy. And again, I love a cool look because I am a cool kind of girl. I am a cool toned girl. But yeah, this looks so beautiful. So that is it, guys. This is a quick video using this little set right over here. So anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.